Hi, this video I will open with a quote of English poet Alexander Pope, who said, "The blessed is he who accepts nothing, for he shall never be disappointed." But when you buy a new 3D printer, you expect a lot. So let's check it out if reality meets my expectations. We all know what to expect from this ordinary printing machine. Before you print the first document, you have to insert the cartridge, install drivers, and connect the printer into a network, and it's ready to use. After you create a text document, you click the print button and the whole paper or document with your text is printed in a few seconds. Honestly, I had the same expectation for 3D printer, but somehow I was ready for different reality. When I was opening the box, I didn't expect what was coming. Because at this point I was still 3 days away from my first 3D printed model. And this stage, where you need to assemble parts together, was one of the most natural steps for me. After the assembly stage, I have been introduced to the real world of 3D printing, because my first attempt to 3D print model failed one after one. At least I was forced to clean up my office, and this was very positive this day. During this process, I have noticed that we are living in the most desirable area of humankind. I watched a few tutorials and I managed to level the bed, calibrate the whole machine, and find the appropriate temperature of the extrusion. After 3 days, I had in my hand my first 3D printed cube. I have also managed to print this adorable dog. I can easily say that for 3D printing you have to possess patience and discipline for precision mechanics. Despite these facts and not so positive first impressions, I still believe that additive technology would be one of the crucial technologies for my business and future factories. I continue a 3D printing journey with the first model that I have designed, so cross the fingers, because I believe that you have to possess a lot of luck, at least at the beginning of the journey.